Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber Maria and I'm going to show you how to achieve the best wash and go using only 2 products. Also, be sure to click the icon here if you're interested in learning how to preserve your curls at nighttime. I know I struggle with that sometimes too, so I got you. Hey guys, let's go ahead and get started. Now I've already washed my hair with Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. And I have deep conditioned my hair with Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Deep Conditioning Mask. And lastly, I added my Yellow Organics Leave-In Conditioner. And I do have my glasses on because at the time I needed more contacts. But anywho, this is my hair freshly washed and deep conditioned. I do need my ends clipped, but I will wait a little bit longer. I do have a little bit of hang time, but I would have longer if I would just get my ends clipped, but that's another story for another day. So I'm first going to start off by separating my hair into 2 sections and then later on into 4 sections just to make it a little bit more easier for me to do my hair. After I'm done separating my hair, I'm going to spray my hair with some warm/hot water. Then I'm going to apply Talia Wajid Curly Cream. When I tell you this is the best curl cream I have ever used, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's a very thick consistency and it's not watered down. This is the only curl cream product that actually works on my hair. Like, I had to message the company on Instagram to tell them thank you for making this product because it worked so well. And honestly, I don't think I'll ever go back to another curl cream. Look how the curls are just bouncing right now. So afterwards, I'm gonna use my Dundum brush. I probably pronounced that wrong. Next, I'm gonna use my brush to detangle, and you can see the curls just coming alive. Like, it's so juicy and so amazing. After I add the product, I'm then going to top it with the Main Choice Braid Out Glaze. Now, this product is amazing. It gives you just enough hold, just enough moisture, and it curls your hair so well. I used this years ago, but for some reason I stopped. I don't really know why. I think I got introduced to some more products and I just wanted to try it. But I'm definitely coming back home because you can see how it's just curling and activating my hair. Now that first section that I use, I'm going to separate that into 2 so I can properly do the shingling method. Now with the shingling method, you detangle your hair with your brush, then you're going to take a small section and just kind of twist your hair within the product in smaller sections, and you're just going to keep going. I tried to demonstrate it here, working from the back, making sure I put enough product on my hand and on my hair and the root so it can stay flat, separating them and just twisting and letting go. Then I'm going to continue this process with the rest of my hair. Now this process does take a long time, I'm not gonna lie, but the results are so worth it because my hair has lasted so long. Now because the shingling method is so concentrated on the hair, it's going to make sure that your hair holds for a long time. I believe the max that I had my hair in this style or using this method has been like 6 days, but it definitely could have lasted more. But I'm trying to get my hair on a regimen and a nice routine, so it's definitely time for me to wash my hair anyway. So now I'm just gonna do it on the side, just continue that shingling method, make sure I detangle my hair, and you can see the curls here, and just one section at a time, twist and just keep going. Now at this point, my hair is like, or the sections that I've done, is like maybe 60 to 70% dry, and you can see the shrinkage definitely there, but you can also see the curls are fully activated and they're so cute. When you're doing this method, I do recommend to don't rush it, but do it as slow as possible because again, we're trying to concentrate on each curl to make sure that they are moisturized and taken care of. At one point, I didn't use a lot of product in my hair because I thought that was a problem, but for me, this is just me, the more product that I use, like the more gel that I use, it actually works a little bit better. So I started using more, especially in this video, I started using a lot of the Main Choice so it can get that really nice crisp hold, and it's really helping my hair. Now I took my time on the front because my front has the looser curls, so I wanted to make sure that they were 100% tended to so they won't be prone to frizziness. The curls are so pretty, and this is it. This is the curly fro. It's looking so cute. I'm so excited because it took me so long to find products that actually work on my hair. Like, works twice. Like, the fact that I'm editing this video on the second go around of me doing this and it's still giving me the same results is amazing. And this is the results. My hair is 100% dry here. It looks so cute and all the curls are intact and it's fluffy. It's not crunchy or anything. Like, look at the coils. Again, I do need to get my ends clipped, but look at the, don't look at that. Look at the coils. They're so beautiful and I am so grateful. This is 100% my 2024 wash and go routine. And shout out to Mini Marley on YouTube for inspiring this video. Now, here are my thoughts on how I feel about the product in real time. Let's go. I am really feeling this wash and go. Like, this is the best wash and go. And my hair feels so soft and moisturized. Y'all really can't tell me nothing. And yes, I took some photos. I'll put the photos everywhere so y'all can see it because look at it. I mean, I got a little bit of hang time, but like, look at this. Why? Oh, you saw it bounce up. Did you see it bounce up? Let's do it again. Do it again. Do it again. And we gotta bounce up. Like, that's it. Don't be discouraged if you have shrinkage. Shrinkage means that your hair is at a healthy state and it bounces back. Imagine, can you imagine you pulling your hair down and just stay straight? That's damaged hair. It's just so pretty. Okay, now the trick is making sure that we tie it up at nighttime correctly. And I do have a nighttime routine if you want to know how to do that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you're interested in learning how to preserve your curls at night, be sure to click on the icon above and I'll walk you through my nighttime routine. Alright, God bless you. Peace.